Here we go again, guys. Another halal spot hunting. Matagal nang nakasave ang mga video na ito sa phone ko. Sumama lang talaga tayo dito sa halal road trip. Yalla, simulan na natin. Located sila sa 134 Mindanao Avenue. From Riyadh, Saudi Arabia to Quezon City, Philippines. Open sila 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday. They have delivery, take-out, at dine-in. All kebabs are delicious. The tea is superb and aromatic. The dessert feels rich and tasty. Place is nearing clean. Staff and owner are friendly and we feel so welcome.
Yellow chicken. So our brand Yellow Chicken is a brand for everyone, Muslims and non-Muslims. And ang layunin namin is to bring halal chicken and halal food.
Magkakanin ka talaga. Sabihin, punta kayo dito. Tikman nyo to. Yun ang yalla sa Arabic yun. So ako, ang favorite part ko talaga is legs. So dito ko siya bibigyan. Roasted ito, no? Meron tayong pang roast dyan. So